and projects its well. And there are certain cultures who have never had the opportunity of coming onto a main stage and then performing in the capital of India. It's a big thing.
हम लद्दाख से आए हैं और मैं लेह और ये करगिल से हमें भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला कि हम भी अपने कल्चर को पब्लिक के सामने दिखा सके, तो हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
जो हमारा जहाँ जम्मू का कल्चर है, कश्मीर का है, वो हमें एक मंच पर देखने को मिल रहा है।
It has been a very big surprise to find it, and we are enjoying a lot.
जब सामने ऑडियंस होती है और जब एनर्जी गिव एंड टेक होती है, तब आनंद आता है उस कला का, उस काम का।
The platform itself covers such an area that a small group like ours, we got an amazing opportunity and it's overwhelming.
बहुत बड़ा कदम है और बहुत सारे लोगों की डेडिकेशन कमिटमेंट इसके साथ लगा है, तो इसका इंतजार रहता है। मतलब ये दिल्ली शहर की एक ज़रूरत है ये फेस्टिवल।
ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा अचीवमेंट है कि आप नई जगहों पर, नए वेन्यूज़ में, एक रिमोट एरियाज़ में ख़ास तौर से आप जनरेट कर रहे हैं ऑडियंस।
As part of the Commonwealth Games run-up, it's a beautiful occasion to showcase the talent which is there in Delhi. I think it's wonderful for us to be here associated with the international festival.
It was a wonderful program. I wish I could sing like the aunties and uncle.
It was mind-boggling. And the whole ambience was really soothing.
It's fun to see a church this size filled to capacity. It really gives me great joy to stand in front of the whole group, and it was tremendous fun, really.
The Delhi Arts Festival has such a diverse program over the period that it runs, that it gives an opportunity that so many people would never otherwise have.
All the performers played really well, and there's a lot of talent here. It's wonderful once again in 2009 to do this program using music and performing arts to bring people together.
It's just fun, and we get to know more things about our country.
And I enjoyed the museum because it has things from the past, like the oldest documents, the letters written by the queens and the kings.
I would like to thank Daya for giving the opportunity to come and look at all these things.
This festival is really very amazing. It has encouraged me, to take up some challenges which are impossible, and I thought that I would never be able to do it.
Delhi International Arts Festival is a very nice way of making the children understand the various art forms and to appreciate the nuances. And it is a very innovative thing, and we really appreciate the gesture. We feel honored to be invited here.
My father's films are being treated as art. I think is a wonderful acknowledgement and a wonderful tribute.
Bimal Roy was at par with the best filmmakers in the world. I mean, he belonged to world cinema.
Truly great. He made very few films, but what films? What films?
It's an amazing thing. And I think I really wish that it should grow every year bigger and bigger, and full support of mine.
We know that people of India love good films, and we are very glad to present 5 good films by Mr. Kurosawa.
Every year our